Hello, learners. Welcome back to Lex Astra Lucid Approach, Lucid Advice. Today, we are breaking down one of the most important concepts in Indian polity. In this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, key terms, significance, and Supreme Court interpretations in a clear and simple way. What is the preamble? The preamble is the introduction and the philosophy of the Indian Constitution. It is inspired by the American Constitution and is based on the historic objectives resolution drafted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and secures justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity to all its citizens. We the people. The preamble begins with the words, We the people of India, meaning the real power lies with the citizens. This is called autochthony, rule by the soil, rule by the people. It also repealed earlier colonial laws like the Government of India Act 1935. What kind of nation is India? Sovereign. India is free to take its own decisions. No external authority can control us. Joining the United Nations Organization and the Commonwealth of Nations does not affect our sovereignty. India can either acquire foreign territory or cede its territory in favor of a foreign nation. Socialist. Added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976, Indian socialism blends Gandhian and Marxian ideas. Its aim is to remove poverty, inequality, and give equal opportunities. Secular. India respects all religions equally. This is called positive secularism, equal protection for all faiths. Added by the 42nd Amendment 1976, the term had already been explained by the founding fathers in Articles 25 to 28. Democratic. We follow a parliamentary democracy where the government is of the people, by the people, for the people, where the executive is responsible to the legislature. Indian democracy manifests universal adult franchise, periodic elections, rule of law, independence of judiciary, and absence of discrimination on certain grounds. Republic. Our head of state is elected representative, not hereditary. All public offices are open to everyone based on merit. Democracy, which is primarily majority rule, needs to be controlled by the phenomenon of lex rex. Law is king of kings. The four pillars: justice, social, economic, political. Social justice means no discrimination. Economic justice removes inequalities. Political justice ensures equal voice in governance. Liberty gives freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. No unreasonable restrictions and no arbitrary actions. Equality. India ensures equal status and opportunity. Articles 14 to 18 guarantee equality before the law, equal political rights, and equal economic opportunities. Fraternity. Fraternity means unity and brotherhood. It ensures the dignity of individuals and the integrity of the nation. Integrity was added by the 42nd Amendment. Landmark cases. Berubari case 1960 said preamble is not a part of constitution. Golaknath case 1967 used to examine limits on amendment power. Keshavananda Bharati case 1973 preamble is part of the constitution. Basic structure doctrine was established. S.R. Bommai case 1994 secularism and fraternity are part of the basic structure. LIC versus Union of India reaffirmed preamble is part of the constitution. Importance of the preamble. Palkhiwala called the preamble the identity card of the constitution. K.M. Munshi called it the political horoscope of India. It guides us in interpreting the constitution and reflects the ideals of our nation. It has been amended only once in 1976, adding socialist, secular, and integrity. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lex Astra. Drop a comment. See you in the next episode where we decode Article 1 of the Constitution. Until then, keep learning.